Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to be talking about the best deals I grabbed over at CVS for the week. I honestly went back and forth on whether I should do a video this week, but I was able to get all of these items that you see for just $5. I think it was $5 and some change. So that seemed like a pretty amazing haul. And I said I was going to try to get back into doing CVS videos for you guys. So I went ahead and got it done. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how I did these different deals, as well as show you some of the clearance items that I found while I was in the store. I'm going to include those clearance pictures at the end of the video, just like in all my other videos. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So glad you're here. I posted my Walgreens haul, which was awesome, yesterday, so don't forget to check that out, and I will be posting my Walmart haul tomorrow. So after I get this video posted for you guys, my son and I are going out to the store really quick to grab those awesome Walmart deals. All right, let's talk about the Nature Valley deal. On my Fetch Rewards app this morning, I had an offer pop up for $2 back when you buy 6 boxes of the Nature Valley snack bars, and I remembered that these were on sale for $1.99 at CVS. $1.99 is already a great price if this is a product that you buy consistently, but with that $2 back when you buy 6, plus some of the other coupons I had, I knew this was going to make for a great deal. And when I used to do my CVS shopping, I would get these bars for my mom. So Mom, I got you some bars if you're watching. So here's the deal on the bars. They are $1.99 each. I had a $2 off an $8 breakfast CRT and a $2 off a $5 Nature Valley CRT. And those will not stack if I only spend $8. So I have to spend 8 plus 5. I have to spend $13 in order for both of those coupons to come off, which is why I ended up grabbing 7 boxes, because grabbing that 7th box would be the same price as if I just got 6. So I got 7 boxes at $1.99. That is $13.93. So I got to that $13 threshold. The $2 off an $8 breakfast CRT coupon came off. The $2 off a $5 Nature Valley CRT came off. I had a 50-cent digital coupon that came off, so I paid $9.43 at the register for all 7 boxes. I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, where I got $2 back for buying 6. I also submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app, where there were 2 different offers for 50 cents off when I buy 2. So since I had bought 7 boxes, I was able to get both of those back. So that's an additional $1 back from coupons.com, making it just $6.43 for all 7 boxes, or just 92 cents per box. So if that's a product that you like, you can snag a really great deal on those Nature Valley bars this week. With the overage that I got from some of the other items, it brought my total down to just over $5 for all of it, so that was pretty exciting. Okay, so let's talk about the Suave Deodorant. So this deodorant is buy one, get one half off. It's also buy 2, get $2 in extra care bucks, but there is a shop kick offer that you can score to make this a really great deal. So I bought one at $3.39. The other is going to ring up half price at $1.69. There was a 40-cent digital coupon that I had clipped to my card. So I paid $4.68. I got $2 back in extra care bucks. And I submitted my receipt to Shopkick, where I got 525 kicks back for scanning the product and for buying it. And on Shopkick, that 525 is equivalent to $2.10, making these 29 cents each, or 58 cents total. So a great deal on Suave Deodorant if that's your jam. So the Shopkick app, every 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So whatever the amount of kicks is that an item will give you, divide it by 250, and that's how many dollars back you will get. If you're new to Shopkick, grab it using my referral code because you'll get an additional 250 kicks back when you scan your first receipt. If you want a full tutorial on the Shopkick app, I have one of those on my YouTube channel, and I can include a link down in the video description box below. Okay, an easy freebie is on these Colgate Total toothpaste. I grabbed the Deep Clean because these were the ones that were attaching to the $4 coupon. So these Colgate toothpaste are buy two, get $5 in extra care bucks back. I bought two at $3.99. That's $7.98. There was a $4 digital coupon, making it $3.98 at the register. Then I got back $5 in extra care bucks for purchasing two, making these both free and $1.02 moneymaker. Now, I also grabbed some Covergirl products. There are cheaper options. I know this. I grabbed what I wanted, but you could get this deal and do it a little bit cheaper if you grab the eyebrow pencils, because those are the cheapest Covergirl items at least at my store. I grabbed one of the Perfect Blend eyeliners and one of the Ink It eyeliners. I actually really like the Ink It eyeliner. I like how it goes on. But I had a couple of coupons, plus the Covergirl is on sale this week. Buy two, get $6 in extra care bucks back. So the Ink It was $7.59 at my store. The Perfect Blend was $6.99. I had a $4 off any Covergirl CRT. I had a $1.50 off digital coupon. And then I had the $2.50 coupon from the July 25th Smart Source. So I paid $6.58 and I got back $6 in extra care bucks, making it 58 cents for both of them. This also tracks toward Beauty Club. So if you're new to shopping at CVS, for every $30 you spend on beauty products, you get $3 in extra care bucks back. So it's like 10% back on your beauty purchases, which really adds up and makes for some awesome deals. Speaking of beauty deals, I was able to grab some Money Maker shampoo. So I grabbed the Elvive as a deal in and of itself, but then I had a $3 off 3 hair care, nail care. There were a few other things in there, a CRT. So I was thinking if I bought one more product, it would make the deal even better. So I'm going to tell you about this one first, and I'm going to tell you how I added the VO5 in there. So again, these are 2 for $8. Buy two, get $2 in extra care bucks back. There is a $3 printable coupon that I have linked for you in the printable document. There is also a $3 off 2 digital, and now they both came off, or glitched and came off. So I paid $2 and I got back $2 in extra care bucks, making it completely free. Okay, so if you just did this deal alone and you did it just like that, they would be free. But because I had that $3 off 3 hair care CRT, I wanted to add in a third item. That way that $3 off 3 CRT would come off as well. So the VO5 at $1.49 was the cheapest thing that I could find to add to it. So again, I grabbed 2 for $8. I grabbed this for $1.49. The 3 off 3 hair care CRT applied. The $3 off 2 digital coupon applied. The $3 off 2 printable glitched and also applied. And so I paid a total of 49 cents, and I got back $2 in extra care bucks, making it $1.51 moneymaker for all 3 of these. And that doesn't even include the beauty extra care bucks that I'll get back once I hit the $30 in Beauty Club. The last deal, was that it? Yep, the last deal that I did was on these Snuggles. These are on sale, buy one, get one free this week, and they're priced at $5.79. I had a $2 off any 2 Snuggle CRT, as well as $1.50 off one from the 7/18 save. So I paid $2.29. I got $2 back in extra care bucks, so I paid 29 cents for both, or just 14 cents each. When I add all of that together, it ended up being just over $5 for everything, which was a super awesome haul at CVS this week. If y'all have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. I am happy to help you, and I hope y'all are having a great week. Don't forget to check out that Walgreens video I did yesterday, and stay tuned for my Walmart video coming up tomorrow. Thanks.